You may have been told that your metabolism is fast or slow, or maybe you've been told that it's broken. That is one of the biggest misconceptions that keeps women over 40 stuck when it comes to fat loss. If you think that your metabolism is only about how fast you burn calories, then whenever you feel like it's slow, you will try to fix it by cutting back more, removing more foods, dieting harder, or working out more, doing more cardio. And when that happens, what's the result? Maybe you lose some weight at first, and maybe you lose it really fast, but eventually it stalls out. So then when you go through that constant fixing of eating less and less and working out more and more, you eventually hit a point where you're eating less than you ever have and the scale's still not moving. And so because the scale's not moving, you either give up or you just go back to eating normal again. You gain it all back plus more. That's happened to you. That's not because your metabolism is broken. It's because you were taught the wrong thing about what metabolism actually is. So it's very important to understand that your metabolism is like your body's thermostat. It is adaptive. It responds to what you set it to, and you set it based on your actions, how much you move and how much you eat. So if you are constantly dieting, which is reducing the amount that you're eating, then your metabolism is actually dialing things down to save energy. If you are constantly working out harder and trying to burn more and more calories, your metabolism is going to figure out how it can conserve energy in other areas. And that's because your metabolism's number one job is to keep you alive. It's not to get you lean. So the more that you diet, the better that your metabolism gets at protecting you from weight loss. That's why the old trick stopped working. Not because you failed, but because you were taught the wrong thing about what metabolism actually is. So this video is part of the 90-day metabolism makeover series where I am teaching women over 40 how the metabolism actually works and why dieting harder is not the answer. So if you are ready to stop fighting against your metabolism and actually start working with it, I have created a free 30-day reset calendar to help you to shift your metabolism back into fat burning mode without cutting out more food or without adding more cardio. So if you're following along for the metabolism makeover, make sure that you're subscribed and you have your notifications turned on. But more importantly, make sure you go ahead and grab your free calendar. The link is below.